Hello everyone, welcome to Hasan EduTech English channel. Today I will deal division topic as earlier classes. What have we done? Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Today I will deal division topic as a very important topic. Everywhere division theorem is compulsory. So let's begin. Firstly, we have to learn about the basic things regarding division. I have written four kind of division notation. Here we can write P by Q. Also, it is called division. Also, Q double bracket with single line inside P, and inside that of P, and third type of division like Q, like you can put in outside of this bracket, P inside this bracket. Also you can write P division Q. This is the symbol of division. This is also the symbol of division. This is also of double bracket with single line, also division. This called also P upon Q, also called a division. So some basic terminology I have written here. What it has called, like it is called divider, it is called dividend, quotient. In the last what will remaining called remainder. So remember this four thing, like what is called quotient and remainder. We will have given like a dividend with a divider. Also divider also called divisor or divider. So we will have given two numbers like divider and dividend. We have to find out quotient and remainder. So let's begin. Take an example like uh, 4 divide to 14. We have to divide 14 by 4. Here we have to divide 14 by 4. Like we have to count 4. First I will take first letter, first digits of this dividend. Here first digit is 1, and if we count 4 with 1 times will greater than 1, so I can't divide 1 by 4. So first time we can take two numbers. First time I will take two numbers because first number is not divisible by 4. So I will take two numbers, including these two number will be, it will be 14. So 4 count till 14 or below 14. We have to count 4 till 14 or below 14. So just here I am writing count 4 till or below 14. Here some key point, if you want to remember, count 4 till or below 14. Okay, so 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. 16 is greater than 14. So what I have written, 4 count till or below 14. So count for 14 or below 14. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 14, 4 4 is 16 is greater than 14. So 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12. Now we have to subtract. Here is the numbers, number of counts. Here is the total. Here is the times of count. Here 3 times, 4 count 3 times will be 12. This is the product, product of counts, count, product of counts. The for 3s are 12. Here I have written 12. If we cross check, 4 into 3 will be 12. Okay, so now subtract it. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 1 minus 0 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here what we have got, 3 is the question, and 2 is the remainder. 2 here instead of 2 maybe it will be 0, never be negative. Okay, so just simple example was, let's take another example. I'm considering that basic tables, like three table, two tables, two table, three table, four tables, till 10 up to 10 tables. If you don't know, or you haven't remember these tables, so I will write this table. You have to remember, means 100% you have to remember till tens, 9 tens, at least 10 number of count you have to know. So let's say another example, like 5 with 5 will divide to 63. Now here firstly I will take single numbers 6. 5 5 count, first number I will take 5 count till 6 or below 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is greater than 6, so I will count 1 times will be 5. Here is 5 is 6 is over. Now subtract it. 6 minus 5 will be 1. After subtracting, we have to note down from this dividend. Here is the 3. Note down 3. Now count 5 up to till 13. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes will be 15, is greater than 13, so 5 twos are 10. Here 2 times, here their product will be 10. So now subtract it. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Is there any number is left? No. So our answer is over. Our question, what we have got to question is 12 and remainder is 3. This is the another simple example. Let's take another example, like if you divide by 4, and if you divide to 1 5 3. So we have to take a first number is 1. If you count 4 is 1 times will be 4, is greater than 1. So first time I will take 2 numbers. Is 15. Count 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 15, 4 4s are 16, is greater than 15. So 4 3s are 12. 3 times count will be 12. Now 5 minus 2 will be 3. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So after subtracting, we have to note down from dividend. Dividend here is 3. Just right side of 15 is 3. Write down here 3. Now count 4. 4 6 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 7 are 28. 4 8 are 32. Oh, here is I can count 4 8 are 32. 4 8 are 32 and 4 9 are 36, is greater than 33. So 4 8 are 32. 4 8 are 32. Now subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Is there any dividend is left? No. So our answer is over. What we have got? Question is 38 and remainder is 1. Okay, this another simple example. Let's take another example, like 6 with 420. 420, let's divide it. Here is the important question. You have to learn some theory or example or concept from these examples. It is important example, like very very important. First first number I will take 4. 6 1 the 6 is greater than 4, so let's count two numbers. 6 6 1 6 this is the 42. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 13, 36, 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 7 the 42. Here is 6 7 the 42. Now subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Here is 0. Now what I will do, after subtracting we have to note down from dividend. Here dividend is 0. Here I have written 0. Now 6, count how many times that will be 0 or below 0. 6 I will count 0 times. 6 0 is a 0. 6 0 is a 0. Now subtract 0 minus 0. Is there any dividend left? No. So our answer is over. Here is I got the what question is 70 and remainder is 0. This is the also a important example. Let's another example, like you have to follow directly step by step. Don't mix another theory. Let's take another example, like 9 I will divide 275. Okay, let's solve it. Firstly I will take first number. 9 1 9 is greater than 2, so I will take two numbers. 9 3 is 27. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. Now subtract it. 7 minus 0 will be 0. 2 minus 0 will be 0. After subtracting I will note down from dividend. Here is the 5. I have written 5 here. Now count 9 how many times. If count 9 1 times will be 9 is greater than 5, so I will count 9 in 0 times will be 0. 0. 5 minus 0 will be 5. After subtracting I will write down from dividend. Is there any dividend left? No. So our answer is over. So question is 30 and remainder is 5. And then take another example, like another example, what divide 5 6 5 0 1. 6 5 0 1. Let's divide it. Firstly I will take two numbers. First number is 6. Count 5 1 times. I will count 5 1 times will be 5 is less than or below 5 6. So 5 1 is 5. Subtract it 1. Now after subtracting I will note down from dividend. Dividend is 5. 5 3 is 15. Now subtract it. Will be 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 will be 0. 5 minus 5 will be 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. After subtracting I will note down this 0 from dividend to here 0. Now count 5 how many times will be less than or equal to 0. 5 I will count 0 times. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again after subtracting I will note down from dividend. Here dividend is 1 has left here. I write here 1. And now count how many times what times 1 or below 1. So 5 1 the 5 is greater than 1 is 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Is there any dividend left? No. So our answer is over. This is our answer. Is it difficult? no, nothing is difficult. So let's take another example. So let's take another example like 7 7 6 7 6 3 7 6 3 1 5. Okay, now divide it. 7 7 1 is 7, not okay, so let's do two numbers. 7 7 9 is 63, 7 9 is 63. Subtract it. 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. After subtracting, I will note down from dividend is 1, 1 is here. 7 0 is 0. Now subtract it. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 1, sorry, 1 minus 1 is 1. 5, after subtracting, I will note down this 5 here. 5 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Now 14, now here is 14. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. After subtracting, I will note down from dividend. Is there any number left? No, so our answer is over. Question is 902 and remainder is 1. Let's take another example like 8 3 2 1 3 2 3 2 1 6 0 0 1. This is also a good example. Is it visible? Yes, is it visible? So firstly, I will take first letter is below 8. So let's take two numbers is 32. 8 4 is 32. 8 4 is 32. Subtract 8. 2 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 also 0. After subtracting, I will note down from here. Here is 1. What is 1? I put note down here. Now 8 count 1 or below 1. 8 0 is a 0. 8 0 is a 0. Is it visible? Wait, zoom out. Okay. 8 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. After subtracting, I will note down this 6 is here. 8 2 is 16. Subtract it. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. After subtracting, note down from this 0 0. 6 0 8 0 is 0. Again subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. After subtracting, I will note down this 1 is here. 8 0 is 0. After subtracting, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, is this visible? Yes, this is nothing is difficult. So this is the answer. So if you want to note down from what I solved this, how many example, if you want to note down, write it. Okay, so note it what I have written in this screen. Pause this video and note down. So you did, and again also pause this video and what I have solved example, note down also. You have noted down. Pause this video and note down. Also I am sliding at the last example. Here is the last example. Pause this video and note down. If you understand the division topic, means with divide by first single letter, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if anyone are new viewers in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos and spread this education community. So thank you so much. धन्यवाद.